Alright, hello. I've got my first box from ArtSnacks subscription service, and I just really wanted to, I saw a couple other people opening these, and I love getting packages, so I decided to also subscribe to ArtSnacks. I didn't have enough money to get more than 1 month subscription though, so this one is the June box. Tiny little sketchbook. Oh, here's the little sticker. I thought the sticker would be bigger than this. That's cute. I'll probably put it on my sketchbook. And there's this tiny little sketchbook. Ooh. This page design is really cute. There's also this, some kind of brush pen. Brush pen number 7, black. www.kodatake.com, Japan, made in Japan. It's got 2 refills in it as well. I've got quite a few brush pens already, so I don't know. This info snack. Lifesaver. I probably should have wanted to eat that until I finished the video. Now I have candy in my mouth. Look at this tiny little box. What I have pulled up here is the reference picture I'm going to work from today with these materials that I have. Does the tissue paper count as a material? Oh, is this from Copic? No, Spectra, cerulean blue marker. Oh, nice. Now I have another color pen to work with my my Blick Studio markers. I wonder if I'll bring over my Blick Studio markers and see if this works with it. Fabrillo brush, Swiss, and a layout pencil, extra black. Let me grab some stuff and see how this stuff works. It's around $20 worth of product. The Spectra marker, alcohol based, permanent mark, less odor. 4 different marks can be created 4 different marks can be created using this one tool. Smooth line with a brush tip. You're one of the first to get this product. It's just hitting the stores now. Bam. Let's see. Then this mini sketchbook. Where'd I put that tiny thing? Here it is. This mini sketchbook. Art can change the world. This rat notebook company lives out their mission by putting artists' work onto journal covers. Ooh. A portion from every notebook purchase goes to help build schools in developing countries. This month we collaborated with Denick's team and San Francisco-based artist Ryan Putman to create a Denick custom mini sketchbook just for our subscribers. It's really cute. You can also get the pattern on your smart device or desktop by downloading it from bit.ly.com/PutnamAS. That's cute. Let's see. Fabrillo brush marker. Swiss art company Corinne Dache, I don't know, just introduced its new Fabrillo brush marker this spring. The resilient fiber tip offers the control of a marker and the flexibility of a brush. Try adding a little water to the ink to develop a watercolor wash effect, or work dry to create a traditional marker line. The specially formulated ink is designed not to bleed through paper. Ink is designed not to bleed through paper. That's cool. I do have a brush, aqua brush, that I'm going to be using to see if I can get that watercolor effect that they're talking about. Kuretake number 7 brush pen. This one says it's a $7 retail price. Just takes a few steps to get your Kuretake number 7 pen up and running. Oh, there's visual instructions. Okay. Oh, just gotta use force. Okay. Let's snap that on. Okay, whew. Alright. And then the layout pencil. This little guy here. Since the 1930s, animators have been using General Layouts pencil to create quick sketches of cartoons and storyboards. The graphite core is soft enough to deliver super dark marks. You'll achieve a beautiful dark to light gradation on any bright surface. Wait, there was a joke on here somewhere. Oh, what does Salvador Dali have for breakfast? Bowl of cereal. Bowl of cereal. That's the kind of joke you find on the inside of a Laffy Taffy. I tell you what. Okay. First I got out my little sketchbook so I could try the products inside of it, just because I wanted to see how all of the materials work together. I decided not to use it to finally work with my final drawing because it was just so small. I just loved the way this pen made lines. It was so nice. I tried the Fabralo brush technique with the water, and it blended a lot better on this mixed media Canson paper that I'm using at first. But then when I switched over to the marker paper that I ended up doing my final illustration on, it didn't blend as well on that, just because the paper isn't as thick or even made for that sort of blending. This is vellum that I whipped out in order to try to use my spectral marker in conjunction with my Blick studio markers, and it blended fairly well with the Blick markers. My Blick Studio blender pen doesn't really do much ever, so I don't know. I did really like the deep color of the blue. The reason I didn't, another really big reason I didn't use the final stuff with the small sketchbook paper is because the alcohol marker went straight through the paper. It bled straight through. And this is me starting to work on my sketch from the reference photo that I showed at the very beginning. The pencil doesn't get as dark as I expected it to, since it said it was a complete black, or what did it say it was? Well, it said extra black on the casing, so I thought that it would be as dark as an ebony pencil maybe, but it just works as a general sketch pencil. It's hard enough that it makes these nice lines, and it's not so soft that it smears every time you touch it. I was kind of going with a kind of 40 stamp image. I was going to put like text on there, but I'm not very good at drawing text, so I didn't do that. I really love this brush pen. It's probably going to make an appearance in a lot more of my drawing videos. I see it didn't blend very well like I wanted it to, so I gave up on it a little bit. And plus this the ink inside of the Kuretake brush pen is apparently not water resistant, so some of the paint got a little grayed. I should have erased the lines earlier, but I didn't think about it. Flower pattern there with the spectral marker. I was going to use the black under the brim of the hat, but I liked how it made her eyes pop when I put in the blue as the hat color instead. The color builds up nicely. I tried to make the pencil as dark as I could get it. It never comes super close to being absolute black, but it does get a really nice dark gray. And there we have it, my ArtSnacks challenge illustration. My Jelly Roll pen never wants to work for me.